With the consent of the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 36.
Young lady, you have to
Yeah.
maintain something.
uh,
Yeah, there are seniors behind you. Okay. There's certain decorum you have to maintain in the court.
May I please the Lord,
Yes.
I beg to mention for listing of one matter for orders on 24th, my Lord.
Orders, what is the urgency?
Because the matter was fixed on 27th.
That is not the urgency. We are asking about the urgency.
Asking about sale regarding between inter-religious custom.
Sorry, not a matter of out of turn mentioning. Yes. Yes.
Item number 17, Lordship.
Vidyut.
Yes, Lordship.
Why are you mentioning Vidyut?
That dealt with Lordship, direction past Lordship.
Huh?
Direction past Lordship.
Already passed.
Past, only one word, the disposed of is not been.
Oh, that is. Then we write disposed of.
That.
Then, Lordship, I have communicated my demand to the respondent number 3, and they are.
What do you want today now? Huh?
I'm just praying for 2 weeks' time, and I'm just waiting for the response. After that, it can be
I'm
disposed
for the
of.
respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
Item number
17.
70.
17.
One-
17. When I saw both of you, I thought it would be Vidyut, but it is Vidyut. 17. It is Vidyut. Yes, what do you want, Mr. Mazumdar?
I'm praying adjournment for only 2 weeks.
Okay, on the request of Sri FZ Mazumdar, learned counsel for the private respondent, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable him to obtain instructions. Sri S. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Sri Saiwala for
respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
M. Saiwala for the respondent number 3 are present. Please, do we give fix a date?
Lordship.
Yes,
Today is what? 22nd, 2 weeks, Mr. Mazumdar.
Lordship,
We'll have it on 6th of May,
Lordship.
After 10th, Your Lordship.
after 10th. Okay, then tell us a date.
Lordship, any date.
11th of May.
Lordship.
Okay.
May it please the Lordship. I wish to mention for a listing, WPC, the matter was listed yesterday, but by mistake, I did not extend the interim order, which was still yesterday. So if you can just interim for the interim protection.
Okay, if you can bring it today or tomorrow,
My obligation.
bring it tomorrow.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 36.
36.
With the consent of the petitioner.
36.
Yes,
Review petition.
yes, Lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks.
Or review against what order, madam? RSA.
RSA.
Order passed by this
Yes,
court?
Yes, yes, Lordship. Yes,
Okay. From the other side,
yes.
on a request made on behalf of the respondent, matter is adjourned to be listed after
2 weeks.
listed after 2 weeks. Full stop, para. List on 6th of May,
Obliged.
6/5,
Obliged.
item number 36.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 3, your lord.
Item number 3, yes.
Lordship, we need some time to file our additional affidavit, your lord.
You're for the petitioner.
Yes, your lord.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable filing of additional affidavit. Puts the list on 6th of May.
Lordship, there's an interim, your lord.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 20.
20.
20. This
Yes.
is take along with item number 19.
Yes. What is it?
Lordship, we are supposed to file the counter affidavit against the reply. Already we have filed the affidavit in opposition, Lordship. We request some time as the respondent number 7 is out of station, who is unable to put forward signature on the affidavit.
Okay. I have taken the consent of the other side. You've taken the consent of the other
Yes.
side?
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Last time there was an order passed where the matter should be taken along with this matter, a WPC.
Another. There is one more.
There's one
What
more
is the number?
WPC 1546 of 2026.
1546 of 26.
Yes.
Okay. On a request made by Sri, your
Yes,
name?
Bhakhtiar.
S.A. Bakhtiar, learned counsel for the respondent number 7
Seven.
in WPC 5817-2023. Matters are adjourned to enable filing of rejoinder counter affidavit.
Mm.
Full stop. List.
2 weeks with a specific date, Lordship.
It's a list along with. It has also been informed that WPC 1546-2026 is on the same subject matter. Para? Matters are accordingly adjourned to be listed on 8th of May.
Okay.
8th of May,
Okay.
11th of May, along with WPC 1546 of 2026.
Much,
Okay.
Is there any interim order?
No.
much.
This will be on in 19 and 20 at our, yes.
That's okay.
May I
Yes,
please the
Mr. Jain?
lordship? Consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 24, lordship.
2-4.
24.
Yes.
This matter, we are yet to file our affidavit. Lordship, I required 3 weeks time to file my affidavit.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the Central GST, comma, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Full stop. List on 13th of May.
I am for the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, interim may be continued.
List on list on 13th of May, Nairekipa. Miss, your B. Sharma.
B. Sharma.
Ms. B. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, has informed that there is an interim order which is required to be extended. Para? Matter is accordingly directed to be listed on 13/5/2026. Interim order passed earlier stands extended till the next date of listing.
Take your time.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29.
Yes,
Lordship, we've taken the consent of the respondent.
Yes.
Lordship. It may kindly be taken up on any other date, Lordship.
okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 27th. Is it okay?
Lordship, a little later because the affidavit has not yet been filed by
On
the
6th of May.
Lordship. There's an interim observation in it.
Interim order passed earlier to stands extended till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
I beg to mention item number 22. Okay.
22 years.
We have informed the respondents as well. What should kindly be taken after 2 weeks. Okay. We will be filing our reply.
Okay. Corporation has filed affidavit. Okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioners, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit. Para, list on 13th of May.
What should there is an interim order also.
Interim order passed earlier stands extended to the next date of listing.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a petition, lordship.
Motion,
Lordship, admission, lordship.
admission, what is the urgency?
Lordship, there's some urgency since there's imminent danger to the life and limb of the petitioner, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, he was in the village defense and he had helped to grab some mafias and.
What is the cause of action? Why have you come to the court?
Lordship, for seeking some protection, lordship.
Protection in the sense?
In the sense, some police protection, lordship, since he's expecting some
Matter is of which year?
2024, lordship.
What is the order passed in any interim order passed?
Lordship,
Suddenly what has happened?
lordship,
You woke up from a deep slumber.
lordship, last occasion also.
Sorry, you
was to be listed.
you sleep for some more time. Sorry. Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of WPC 6622 for
But
admission.
what is the stage?
It's in admission, Lordship.
Admission, what is the urgency?
Due to the pendency of the case, the acquisition process has been stopped and unable to go with the construction, Lordship.
You file an application, we'll consider.
As per last order, it was directed to be listed after Bihu, Lordship.
You file an application, we'll consider. File an IA. If there is an interim order is causing some hindrance. Sorry. Yes, Mr. Mahmood.
Lord,
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 16.
16.
60.
Yes.
To file our affidavit. It is already ready, lordship, and we will send. for-
Number 22 matter, you need to file it very soon. We grant you 10 days time to file
Yes,
it.
lordship.
On your BTC standing council. What is your name?
BC Musahari.
Grant 10
Yes,
days time. Okay. On a request made by Sri B.C. Musahari, Learned Standing Council, BTC, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para list on 11th of May. Is it okay?
interim order may.
Okay, 11th of May. Interim order passed earlier to stands extended till the next date.
Obliged.
Well, I was directed to take the instruction in the matter,
Okay.
although notice was not issued. It says that since model code of conduct is going on,
they have already requested the DC Kokrajar to upload the whole, the requisite documents pertaining to the petitioner in direct benefit transfer portal. But that should not be done because of the ongoing election process.
We issue a notice. Okay. Third, 3 H.R. Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has alleged willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated 37/2025 passed in WBC so and so. Full stop. The direction was pertaining to payment of ex gratia. Full stop. Para. When this matter had come up for consideration on 6/4/2026, this court had requested 3A Bhattacharjee, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, to take instructions. Full stop. Sri Bhattacharjee, the Learned Counsel, has submitted that due to the Model Code of Conduct, further process could not be, further steps could not be taken, though some steps were initially taken. Para, be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable on 11th of, today is what? No, not 11th. On 27th is the holiday, 29th of May. 29th of May, let steps be taken for service of notice. Speed post PTA steps will into this.
Can I have copy, my lord, madam?
No, we cannot direct him to appear.
My
It's a contempt matter.
obliged.
Yeah, please, no. No, this
Item
contempt
two.
is filed, my lord, alleging violation of the order dated, my lord, 4/4/25.
Who has a Union of India is in a
Yes.
contempt matter? Why?
My lord, railways, my lord, this there, my lord, there was a direction for demarcation, my lord, page 18 of a railway land, my lord, which was acquired long back.
Now, who's this respondent?
My lord, in this, the contemptor, one is the, my lord, deputy commissioner, and two is the circle officer. The direction was to the circle officer.
Okay. Heard 3H Gupta, Learned Counsel for the petitioners who by means of this application has alleged willful and deliberate order dated 4/4/2025 WPC 1235 of 2022. By the said order, our demarcation process was directed to be completed, which according to the petitioner has not been done.
Completed by June 25, my lord.
Completed by June 2025, which according to the petitioner has not been done. Para, let notice be issued. Tutor respondents. Speed post today, 2 days.
Obliged.
Yes.
Can you pass over the matter for time being, your lordship? My senior is legs on court number 2.
I mean, madam, it's difficult. Okay, let's see.
Lordships, I need some more time, Lordships. Have you already been communicated? My lord,
For motion,
my lord, it is directed through, my lord, that obtain some instruction, my lord, that was not been received. Lordships. We have been communicated on, my lord, 33/2026.
let us issue notice.
Lordship.
Heard 3 A.C. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by
G. Bharadwaj.
G. Bharadwaj for the petitioners. Full stop. The matter pertains to the delay in acting on the application for mutation,
Yes.
mutation, which is pending for more than 1.5 years. Full stop, para. When this matter had come up for consideration on 23/2026, the Learned Counsel for the respondents were directed to obtain instructions. Full stop. 3 Henrik, the Learned State Council has however submitted that instructions are awaited. Para. let notice be issued, returnable on returnable on 25th of May, 2026. Bhattacharya for 1,
One and two.
A Bhattacharya 1 and 2.
I'm for three, four, and
Standing
five.
Council level Ekidana to revenue and State Council J. Hendik 3 and 4.
Three,
3,
four,
4,
and
and
five.
5 extra copies. Para pendency shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the application of the petitioner for mutation in accordance with law. Thank you.
6 also, my lord. Chapter not yet.
You are praying for Jirat compensation.
Yes, Lordship. Jirat.
What is your name?
R. Deb, Lordship.
R.
Deb.
Okay, heard Miss R. Deb, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-disbursal of Jirat compensation pertaining to acquisition of land. Full stop. Para, let notice be issued. Returnable on same date, huh? 27 27 20s 27 25 of 25th May. Revenue A Bhattacharya 1
I'm for 2, 3, and 4.
1 revenue and 2, 3, 4 J. Hendik extra copies.
Oblate.
Kindly pass over the matter for time being, Your Lordship.
Madam, we are taking passover in all matters.
Lordship. 7.
Yes, why passover, madam? These are initial matters.
Lordship, I
Should
was,
be here.
Lordship, mentioning in the other court. Lordship, in this case, what has happened? Lordship, I was not issued a SOCOS notice.
No, let us have the first one first.
Lord Mednomic.
CGST,
Lordship,
who's there? Mr. Jain,
I had a word with Mr.
who's appearing?
Mr. B.N. Gogoi is appearing. I had a word with him. He's on the way.
B. Gogoi.
Yes.
State GST.
Yes. No, central GST. Both the cases are central GST, Lord.
B. Gogoi is for the central GST.
Yes, Lord. B.N. Gogoi.
Oh, Dr. B.N. Gogoi. Where is he?
Lordship, I have a word with him. He said he's on the way.
Wait for a while. Let him.
Yes, Lordship.
Both the matters.
Both the matters.
Lordship, kindly pass over the first one for timing. She not on
Time being, madam.
number 18.
Mr. Bora. Okay, for a while.
Lordship, in this matter, I've been led by a counsel from Mumbai, is online. I've just instructed.
What is it about?
This is regarding a SOCOS notice which was issued under 148 of the Income Tax Act. Subsequently, there's some development. He will,
Final order has already been passed on.
so that is to that respect, so he will be arguing on it. Just Lordship, if
This is appealable.
Lordship. The final order is applicable order.
if I may just call them and ask if there's some difficulty in this.
Okay, after a while.
After a while.
We'll try to
And deeply
accommodate.
obliged.
We'll try to accommodate after a while.
Deeply obliged.
May it please, your lordship.
Then, Mr. Mishra,
My lord, here my SOCOS was issued to the petitioner, my lord. A SOCOS was issued
show cause for?
recovery of service tax, my lord,
Okay.
pursuant to which my order was passed, my lord. Against the petitioner preferred an appeal, my lord. The appeal was dismissed on the point of limitation, my lord, time barred, my lord. Lordship will see the observation at page 65, my lord.
Is there a provision for second appeal?
Lordship, the appeal lies before the suspect under 86 of the Finance Bill.
Now, my lord, here my case is this, my lord. It was on presumption that it was not delivered on time. It is regarding the date of communication only. Order was passed on 16/3/2022. I made a pre-deposit. The order was served on 21/4/2022. I made a pre-deposit on 28/4/2022. Order was passed on 16/3/2022.
Okay,
Then, my lord, it was served on me on 21/4/2022.
okay.
We made a pre-deposit of rupees 3 lakhs and odd on 28/4/2022. We preferred the appeal on 26/2022. The appeal was dismissed on 3/8/2023 on the ground, my lord, that we have failed to substantiate any evidence that or the date of delivery of the order to us, my lord, date of service of order, my lord. That was the only ground, my lord. My limited pace, my appeal may decide on merit because pre-deposit has already been made, my lord, 3,17,000, my lord.
What do you say? You take instructions. Next Monday, we'll try to have this matter, okay? We are not issuing notice. Heard Sri R. H. Mishra, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner. Full stop. As per the facts projected, a proceeding was initiated on a demand of service tax vide a show cause notice dated 23/10/2019. Full stop. The said culminated in an order in original dated 16/3/2022, against which an appeal was filed.
On 26/2022.
Appeal was filed along with the necessary prerequisite. Full stop. The appeal has, however, been dismissed on 3/8/2023 on the ground of limitation. Full stop. It is the contention of the petitioner that such dismissal on the ground of limitation has been done without any application of mind. Full stop. It is also contended that the petitioner would be satisfied if an order is passed remanding the matter to the appellate authority to decide the appeal on merits. That instructions be obtained in this regard, for which Sri K. Jain, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S. C. Kyle, Learned Standing Counsel CGST, prays for some time. List on Monday. Date deliver.
Item number 11 also same, my lord. Here also my appeal was dismissed.
To facilitate Sri Jain to have the instructions, let an extra copy of the writ petition be served upon him during the course of the day. Next is same.
Same, it was also dismissed on limitation.
Order dated?
This is order dated, my lord, 6/8/2025. Appellate order, my lord.
And the so-called same date?
No, that is different, my lord. So-called date is 11/8/2020, my lord.
So-called segment case to. So-called 11/8/2020. And order in original 26/2024.
My lord.
Aru appellate order is, when is the appellate order?
6/8/2025, my lord. Page 78.
6/8/2025.
2025.
Okay, take a Mr. Mishra, furnish extra copy.
My lord.
Both the matters on Monday for motion.
Item 12 will be perhaps covered by lordship's order, my lord. Here what happened, my lord? Recovery notice was received without service of notice, service of, my lord, so-called notice and order, my lord. Petitioner filed an RTA application. Pursuant to the RTA application, the order in original was served on the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Jain.
Lordship, kindly look at the page number 37. This is a reply to the RTI filed by the petitioner, Lordship. Page 37, document name, that table is there, Lordship. Show cause notice, communication for personal hearing, communication for personal hearing, communication for personal hearing, order unit. Dispatch number and date has been there, and consignment number is also there, Lordship.
No, in the other case, we had interfered on a very limited ground.
Lordship.
We said that he'll appear within a particular date, collect the show cause, and if you are agreeable, you can pass the same order.
Lordship.
You just have a look at the order.
I have given the copy, my lord.
Then you make the corrections, we'll pass the same order.
My lord.
Okay. Disposed of, huh?
Much obliged.
You make the corrections in this.
My lord.
Aranam, K. Jain on behalf of. SC carry. Standing counsel says yes. I did 13. 1-3.
Hi, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Kindly see the page number 35.
35.
35.
What is the
Yeah,
cause of
madam.
action?
Yeah, my lord, two petitioner purchased the land to register a sale deed. After that, they approached the resolution number 3, according to all documents for mutation. That application is pending, my lord. And they have
Mutation
another-
application is pending.
Yes, my lord. Kindly see the page number 35.
Okay. What is your name?
S. Rahman.
Heard 3S Roman, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the delay in the process of mutation in respect of a plot of land which he has claimed to have purchased via sale deed number 2452 dated 28/3/2017.
Yes, ma'am.
Full stop. Para. But why have we applied so late?
In the meantime,
Let-
they approached.
Duta petitioner, sir. Let notice be issued, returnable on the 25th of May, 2026. Revenue,
Yes, ma'am.
uh,
Right before 1.
1, and Mr. Hazarika for 2, 3, and 4, State Council, extra copies. Get the instruction, what is the status?
But in this case, what happened, my lord? After executing mutation, suddenly within 1 month, 10 days, the mutation has been cancelled without issue notice us, without hearing us. Within 1 month, mutation has been cancelled. without
Heard
start
3
us.
S. Roman, learned counsel
They
for the,
have to challenge it before the district commissioner. This is not a proper forum. Against cancellation of
My lord.
mutation, they have to go before the district
My
commissioner.
lord, the
let
representative.
us see the
Yes,
cancellation order.
Page
This
13.
is applicable, his right, Mr. Bachchan is right. Where is the order?
Page 39.
Typing page number 30, Your Honor. 39, sorry, 39. 39.
Yes, this is. You have to approach the appropriate authority, not the writ court.
Wait for the representation dispose. After dispose, we can move the.
No, it's not a
Representation
representation.
is pending, Your Honor. If the
It's
dispose.
not a
the
question of
representation-
representation.
Yes, kindly see the page number 43.
Okay, well,
43.
okay. Heard 3S Roman, learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by cancellation of mutation via the order dated 14/10/2025.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. It has been contended that the mutation was done on 4/9/2025 and without any notice, the same
Yes.
has been cancelled. Full stop. Para 3 A. Bhattacharjee, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department has however contended that the cause of action is to be espoused before the appropriate authority and not in the writ court. Para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable on 25th of May 2026. Sri Bhattacharjee, for one,
Yes.
I think only 1, 2, 3, and 4, Mr. Hazarika, or extra copies. The aspect of maintainability of the writ petition is however kept open.
May I please?
Yes.
Also, the petitioner here is an elderly lady of 86 years. She is the owner of the of a plot of land in the Nagaon municipal jurisdiction. And their lordship, the respondent number 4 has undertaken construction of a high-rise RTC building without obtaining any sanctioned building plan, permission, or no objection certificate. And in this aggrieved by the illegal construction, the petitioner submitted a written complaint that is at page 30 here also
To whom?
to the municipal board of Nagaon. And they have not taken any action till date, nor any inspection has been made therein. in
Where
the-
is your statement that no permission has been taken?
In my writ petition.
Yes. How do you know?
Uh,
Did you make any due diligence exercise?
Lordship, on the after the representation was being made on the date 27/5/2024, Your Lordship. Thereafter.
Now, where is your statement
Yes.
that permission has not been taken? Paragraph 5.
There are five. Your
5.
Lordship, will
How have
find
you
that
verified 5?
no objection certificate or competent.
How do you know? Did you make any due diligence? Did you ask for the records?
She is an old lady, Your Lordship, of
No, no.
86 years.
You,
She has.
see, we
lived-
have all sympathy for you, but
Yes.
we have to ascertain whether it's done in accordance with law.
No reply has been also been made, Your Lordship.
Where is your
for-
representation?
At page 30, Your Lordship.
Okay, but we issue a short notice, Mr. Hazarika, take instructions.
Respondent number 1.
1. Others will go by registered post. Okay. Your S. Ahmed.
Yes.
Hearts-free S. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the lack of action by the municipal board.
Yes.
What is it? Board or
Nagaon municipality.
by the Nagaon? You have not made the board a party, Mr. Ahmed. Why do you make the same mistakes every time? See the array of parties, the chairperson, the
Yes, yes.
executive officer. Where is the board?
We have made the representation to the chairman of the.
You have to make a board a party. Our board is not a party. See the array of parties at page 3. You should know how to make parties. Nagaon Municipal Board represented by the chairperson is good enough. কি করলো আজকে? Nagaon Municipal Board in respect of the construction of a high-rise building by the respondent number 4. The petitioner, who is a senior citizen, also claims to have lodged a complaint on 28/5/2024. Full stop. However, no action has been taken. Let notice be issued, returnable on 25th of May 2026. 3 Hazarika for 1. Rest all by registered posted AD. 2, 3, 4 registered split posted AD. Steps within 2 days.
May it please your lordship. Lord, the petitioner before lordship is actually, my lord, a victim of circumstance.
What
My
happened?
lord, a house was allotted to, flat was allotted to him, my lord, way back on 7/1/2012. Now, after allotment, my lord, the signed agreement was handed over by him. And thereafter, my lord,
That allotted by whom?
Assam Housing Board, my lord, Assam State Housing.
As
Housing
ASH. Okay.
Yes. Now, my lord, it was on 7/1/2012.
12. Okay.
Then, my lord, after signing of the agreement and all, the board handed over possession to him. Now, as per the extent of norms, my lord, normally every 5 years they are supposed to renew it.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, from time to time, I am, my lord, paying it. And in fact, the monthly rent, which was earlier 1167, it was enhanced to 1489, sometimes in April 2014, which I am paying, my lord. Now, things were going on. Now, because, my lord, I am a anchor of a channel, my lord, Proceeding Times. Now, my lord, all of a sudden on 25/7/25 at page 26, a notice was issued to me, my lord.
Page
26. This was issued by the Commissioner, Assam Housing Board. With reference to the subject above and letters under reference, I would like to inform you that Special Officer come PS to the Minister so-and-so forwarded a letter received from one Utpal Das, where the complainant has claimed that you are not entitled to housing unit number so-and-so. Block is 4, flat number is 2, under so-and-so Krishnanagar. In view of the same, you are requested to submit an affidavit to the effect that you or your spouse do not own any house or landed property in the Gauhati to ascertain your need of a RHS flat as per guidelines for allotment. Actually, the rule is, my lord, only those persons are eligible for allotment who does not own a land or a house in the Gauhati city.
Okay,
In fact, my lord, at page 28, I submitted that affidavit,
okay,
paragraph 2, that I have no immovable property, land, house in my name. I have just booked a flat which is under construction and that is not yet allotted to my name.
okay.
So, my lord, I made the requirement.
Hmm.
Then on page 29, my lord, I have been given a 7 days notice to my lord vacating. So this order is under challenge.
Okay,
It has been observed that you have not renewed your deed of agreement since the year 2012. As per the terms and conditions of agreement, renewal after every 5 years is mandatory. However, despite the lapse of a considerable period of time, no step has been taken from your end to renew the same. In view of the prolonged delay, the Assam State Housing Board is not in a position to consider any further request for renewal of your tenancy agreement. Therefore, you are hereby asked to vacate the aforesaid flat within 7 days.
Okay.
Lord, as per the relevant statute, this notice should be 1 month period. In any case, my lord, against this, we have filed a statutory appeal.
you have filed an appeal.
Yes,
What
that
is the
appeal is
outcome?
also pending.
No outcome.
No outcome.
Okay. But are you staying in that flat?
Yes.
Where is the statement? Anchor of a big channel staying in a flat, that is also slightly difficult to. We have seen housing
My
board.
lord, in the cost title itself, we have indicated, my lord.
First title is not pleadings.
Okay. Possession of statement to ase.
No, not possession. Whether he's staying in the flat.
Yes.
Where?
In the Krishna Nagar, my lord.
No. Where is the statement?
1 second, my lord. Para 10, my lord. That since the date of allotment, petitioner was peacefully possessing his allotted
No,
flat
possessing is different.
without any hindrance from others.
Are
for
you
13
staying?
years. Yes, I'm staying, my lord. I'm making
But-
that statement based on instruction of my learned
But
friend.
there is no statement.
According to
You cannot possess a flat meant for middle class people.
MIG2, my lord.
MIG.
Middle income
Middle
group.
income group.
My lord, this as an anchor.
No,
of
we
a-
are not on that aspect. We are just asking whether you are staying in this
Yes,
flat.
I'm staying, my
Actually,
lord. That statement.
I think you should file an additional affidavit. That is not,
File an additional affidavit.
that is not very clear.
We'll do
There
that.
is one statement. We have just had a cursory glance of your petition.
Yes.
Towards the end.
Yes. In fact, my lord, para 21 and 13, we have indicated.
In para 30, you have said petitioner is still occupying the state.
Yes.
We want a statement that you are residing there.
Yes. We'll do that, my
Please
lord.
do that. But why don't you consider the appeal?
Yes.
You consider, you can reject, you can allow, but
Till then.
and in this, when did you file the appeal within the time?
Yes, my lord, within time.
When
At
did you
page
file?
30 is the appeal under section 57.
Okay. You there will be no restriction or no bar for consideration of the appeal, but till the appeal is disposed of, don't take any coercive action.
Yes.
Okay.
Appeal is pending before the state. So who are Chief Department of House?
That's the statutory authority.
You are representing the appellate authority,
Representing Assam State Housing.
not the appellate authority.
Not the-
Appellate authority, Mr. Hazarika would be appearing, would be the
State.
state.
Standing council.
Dohua.
No.
Department
Government eke hai, government eke.
Mr. Hazarika, who is the standing counsel?
Dohua nahi neki? State. I don't think Ministry of Dohua has any separate standing council.
Mr. Bora, I think.
Antonu
Bora, I think. Is he there? Because it will expedite. We are going to issue notice. We'll ask copies to be served upon him. Okay. Yes. Heard. Sri K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri S. Deka, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is against a notice dated 10/4/2026 issued by the Commissioner, Assam State Housing Board, directing him to vacate the flat allotted to him within 7 days on the ground that the agreement was not renewed. Full stop. It is contended that the flat was duly allotted to him on 7/1/2012, followed by an agreement, full stop. It is submitted that though there was a renewal clause after every 5 years, comma, the petitioner has been regularly paying the monthly rent and even at the enhanced rate,
Yes.
full stop. The petitioner was also issued a notice earlier on 25/7/2025 on the ground that he was not entitled to such a flat, such allotment, and in response to the same, the petitioner had filed an affidavit. Full stop. However, thereafter, the impugn notice has been issued, full stop. It is also contended that as per the statute holding the field, the petitioner has preferred an appeal under Section 57 of the Assam State Housing Board Act 1972 on 13/4/2026, and the same has not been considered or disposed of. Let notice be issued, returnable on 25, we'll give an early date, 18 May 2026, 3. Going for?
I am for 2 and 3 also.
Then housing and urban affair, as for how you will be taking. Mr. Hazarika? Response number 1, Department of Housing and Urban Affairs. You will be taking. Yeah. 3, Hazarika, London State Council for 1. 3, T.R. Gogoi, London Standing Council, Assam State Housing Board for 2 and 3.
Yes.
Let extra copies be served. 3, Chaudhary, the London Senior Council praised for an interim order. Considering the facts and circumstances, particularly the aspect that a statutory appeal was filed within time, which is yet to be disposed of, comma, it is directed that till the returnable date, no coercive action for eviction of the petitioner be taken. The pendency shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the appeal in accordance with law.
Deep privilege.
44.
But you file an additional affidavit, Mr. Deka, regarding your residence that you are residing. File an additional affidavit. That would be required.
Yes.
Would like to know whether you are still actually residing there. Yes, Mr.
May
Boni.
it please your lordship. My lord, although I had availed the loan, it became NPA. I am not even challenging the SARFAESI proceedings. They may proceed. Only is that in December 25, with the deliberations with the bank.
Yes. You had taken a loan.
Yes, 62 lakhs. I had availed the loan. I could not repay. It was NPA. The matters percolated. SARFAESI proceedings ensued. I am not challenging that. Now, in December 25, my lord, I offered to repay the loan in a particular format. That's at page 38. I have no right, my lord. It was just a request. On that, at page 39, the AGM wrote to me that revised request. Kindly reschedule and revise. Then 14 January 2016, I revised the request and I was waiting for a call that I'll liquid it. The authorities kept lip shut. The result was, under the act, to take possession, the notice has been issued. I am not saying the correctness of it. What I'm saying is that notice has been issued, taking into consideration the representation of the bank of 2024. So all these things, the statutory requirements are not done with, but these arguments will be in DRT. For the present, I'm ready to pay 20 lakhs upfront and in 3 installments, which if the bank agrees, my property of 5 crores is safe. My client is there waiting just outside.
And that is your also towards the total outstanding as well.
As on, yes, as on, whatever.
Only the total outstanding as well. The proposal is being made in the writ petition at page number 17.
1 second.
It starts from 16, your lordship.
Yes.
Page 16.
Now, what do you say, Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, if they are paying, then we cannot stop them. That is, that only things they required 3 months time, I think. That is as they have stated in the writ petition.
But there's one
Now,
error.
how much are you paying as on?
20 lakhs tomorrow. And the rest, my lord, one error on my part, I must take that thing.
In the order with the total. towards
Yes,
the
yes,
total outstanding.
whatever.
Hmm?
Only thing is that towards the total
Total
outstanding,
outstanding.
there will be no settlement.
It's not a settlement,
No,
part
no,
of
no.
settlement. It's a only a part of the total amount.
Yes.
My lordships, there is one error
Part
on my part.
three.
If I may indicate, my lord.
Yes.
Page 17. my lord.
Yes.
It's typographical, but I take it on me.
17.
17 ABC.
Oh, it should be July.
See,
Yes.
it should be 20th of July, not 20th of May.
Okay.
I stand there. May I pray, my client is waiting outside. He may come because 20 lakhs, that amount is there. His presence can be recorded if lordship permits.
No, not required. Why should we have not asked for his
Lordship.
Heard 3S Bunik learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The facts, bereft of details, comma, the facts as projected is that the petitioner is facing, is contesting, or is that over?
My lordships.
SARFAESI is over.
SARFAESI is continuing, but we are
It's
not
contesting.
contesting.
SARFAESI proceeding. Full stop. However, in December 2025, the petitioner had made an offer to the bank to liquidate the dues, and the said offer, after consideration, was returned to the petitioner to make a revised offer, which the petitioner claims to have done. Full stop. However, the same has not been considered, and in the meantime, the petitioner apprehends that the assets in question would be auctioned. Auctioned over.
Once sale notice issued, my right of redemption goes.
Assets may be put to auction. Full stop. Para. 3. Bunik, the learned counsel, has drawn the attention of this court to the statements how much is the due now?
It should be 70 odd,
Yeah,
70?
As per,
70 lakhs.
as per my books of account, when I have filed an original application on 16/1/2025, there was a total dues of rupees 1 crore 17 lakhs at that time. So, but my friend has just informed me that he has paid something that.
Because
but
in
for
the-
some reason-
in the offer which he
Has
paid.
drawn the attention of this court to the averments made in paragraph 18, whereby the petitioner has undertaken
17 and 18.
to
17, 20 lakhs.
to make payments in a particular schedule, and the first payment would be made by tomorrow.
By tomorrow.
Full stop. First payment of rupees 20 lakhs
20 lakhs.
would be made by tomorrow. Full stop. Para. Sri M. Sharma, learned counsel, has submitted that though instructions would be required, comma, he would not object to any payment made by the petitioner, which however has to be towards adjusted with the total liability.
Total
liability.
Total liabilities. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, comma, this court directs that if the petitioner offers an amount of rupees 20 lakh by tomorrow to the bank, comma, the same would be accepted by the bank, and no coercive action be taken for a period up to
July.
Lordship, 20th July 2026.
20th of July 2026. Full stop.
If the
And
payments
in this
made-
connection, comma, 3, Bunik, the learned counsel, has submitted that in paragraph 18 of the writ petition, comma, 18 within bracket, 18 of the writ, wherein the schedule of payment has been made, comma, again serial number C, the date should be on or before 20th of
July.
July 2026 and not 20th of May 2026. Full stop. Para. List this case for motion on tomorrow. You're going to pay on Monday. It depends. If he pays, we'll issue notice. Okay.
Very
On Monday. Monday.
Your lordship, in case of a default.
Therefore,
No, Monday.
when this depending on the developments, this court will pass appropriate orders.
I'm so grateful, my lord. Obliged.
Item timing.
Lordship is entry.
What is this?
I think they have to allow
Who would be arguing?
by council is from Delhi.
Name?
Mr. Gandhi, Nishit Gandhi
From
Mumbai.
May it please, my lord.
Who would be arguing?
My lord, this is Nishit Gandhi appearing.
Yes. What is it?
Petitioner. My lords, first of all, my apologies. I could not appear.
No, doesn't matter. What is the case about?
The petition is in respect of an action of reassessment undertaken on me by the assessing officer under the Income Tax Act, 1961. Now, my lords, in terms of the provisions of the Act, when an assessing officer initiates a reassessment on me, under Section 148, he has to issue a notice on me. However, before directly issuing a notice, he has to record a satisfaction that there was a search on party X from where I seized certain documents, and those documents have a bearing on your total income. Now, in my case, and my lords, as per the law, if this procedure is not followed, then the option available to the assessing officer is to issue a notice under Section 148 capital A, subclause B, ask me for my reply, and thereafter pass an order under 148 AD saying that now the initiation of reassessment is justified for X, Y, or Z reasons. Now, in my case, my lords, he has directly issued a notice under Section 148, but without providing me.
Are you contending that no satisfaction was recorded?
Yes, my lords. My lords, I am contesting that. And in a
you're
series
contending. Are you contending that no satisfaction was recorded?
That is precisely
your case that no satisfaction was
precisely
recorded.
my proposition, my lords.
Okay.
But in addition, there are 2 or 3 other propositions which I would like to canvass with my lord's permission.
Now, what is the stage now? Mr.
My lord,
Chetia says that final orders have been passed.
my lord, the final assessment order came to be passed when the petition was pending before your lordship's court. So,
When
my
did
lords,
you file this petition?
my lords?
When did you file this petition?
My lords, my learned friend Mr. Das is there in the court. My lords,
Filed on 17th of March.
So why is it pending still now?
Lordship, there was some
My lord, the notice was issued on lordship 26/3/2025. 1 year back.
Okay. No. Why was this pending?
Lordship, there was some
It was lying defective.
It was lying.
You should have removed the defects now. If you have filed in March, today is what, 22nd of April. Final orders passed. What relief can we grant to you?
My lords,
Mr. Gandhi?
my lords, may I just intervene, my lords? My lords, in this case, what has happened in a number of petitions across our country, my lords, what has happened? These reassessment orders have allowed to be challenged primarily because, and in my case also, primarily because, my lords, the very initiation of reassessment firstly is bad in law. That is my first submission, and I'll take my lords to the relevant.
But unless you challenge the final orders.
Yes, my lord. So I am seeking your lordship's.
You've challenged the final orders. We may agree with you.
Yes.
To make a reassessment, but final orders needs to be put to a formal challenge.
My lord, so if my lords permit me, I'll my lords amend the petition.
You amend the petition. We can have, if you amend it by today, we can have it day after tomorrow.
My lords, I am in Bombay, really. My lords.
No. Your colleague is there, Mr. He's there. Das is there.
My lords, may I request for coming Monday if it is
okay,
coming?
No problem.
In the next 3 days, we'll prepare the amendment.
Okay. Heard. 3 N. Gandhi, learned counsel.
Nishit Gandhi is the name, my lord. Nishit Gandhi is the name.
Yes.
Nishit.
N. Gandhi, we had said. Nishit Gandhi. Okay, we'll put your full name.
Thank you.
Nishit Gandhi, learned counsel appearing online for the petitioner. Also heard Sri S. Chetia, learned standing counsel, Income Tax Department, full stop. While the learned counsel for the petitioner has contended that the procedure laid down in the Income Tax Act has been violated in the present case, Sri Chetia, the learned standing counsel, has informed that final orders have already been passed. At this stage, the learned counsel for the petitioner prays for some time to amend the petition so as to put a formal challenge to the final orders which have been passed. Dara, list this case immediately on filing of amended
Lordship,
petition.
27, it may be fixed.
Can you have to file it before that?
Yes, yes, Lordship. I'll do it in 2 days.
Okay,
I'll do it, Lordship.
No, we said immediately when you find, whenever you find, make a mention, we'll allow it. Okay.
Lordship.
Fair enough, my lords, fair enough.
Let me 27, I'll file it.
You make a mention, we'll allow it.
We'll
27.
make a mention, my lords.
Make a mention whenever you want.
Deeply, okay.
Obliged, my lords, much obliged.
Lordship, whether amendment was allowed or not, they have to file an application. seeking
Yes,
amendment.
application. Whatever they can do, they can file a considered petition, they can file another petition, whatever.
Lordship, IA has to be filed in that case, no?
I am no, that part we may not be.
That's what
That be covered by your. by this
That's
order.
what, I'll just amend the
This is
petition.
covered by
because,
this order.
That deeply obliged.
Obliged, my lords, much
You can
obliged.
file a separate writ petition also. I think that would be proper.
That will
Both
be
these,
better, Lordship.
both the cases amalgamated. We'll have an analogous hearing. We'll put emphasis on the next case.
It'll
We'll
be-
put everything on the next case.
My
Deeply
lords,
obliged.
Okay.
obliged, my lords.
Okay. Item 8. Yes, Mr. Paul.
The petitioners are representing the Numia community who has been included in the MOBC list of tea garden laborers pursuant to the Indra Sahani judgment in entry number 24, sub-entry 75. Now, on 23rd August 2023.
Entry number?
24, sub-entry 75.
Nunia.
Nunia. Lordship would find it at page 27.
As per Indra Sahani.
In Indra Sahani.
Yeah.
Now, Lordship, it is at page 29 is a central list for OBC. There also, their names are there.
Okay.
That's serial number 24. Now at page 33.
Yes. What is your grievance now?
Now, without hearing, without following without any natural justice, we are enjoying the rights given to tea garden laborers.
Now?
Now everything has been taken away by page 33, Lordship. 23rd August 2023.
Page 33.
Page 33.
Why you come to the court so late?
Lordship, one similar petition has already come. It is pending.
In the list of OBC. Now, what is 33? How are you agreed by 33?
Lordship, now we have been put to the OBC list by removing us from the MOBC, from the tree garden class.
So, what prejudice will you suffer?
Lordship, now we are not getting any of the benefits under the tea garden laborers.
No, what is the difference? OBC and MOBC, I think OBC would be in a better position to get the benefits.
But they are not issuing the tea garden labor certificates because of the tea garden labor certificate, our community people are getting certain benefits regarding in the job sector, in the educational sector also. These benefits are taken away now.
But don't you think this should
now, Lordship,
this should come in the form of a PIL?
Now, Lordship,
you are espousing the cause of the entire community.
Yes, Lordship. We are a registered society. We have.
If you are espousing the cause of the entire community, you should come in the form of a PIL.
Lordship, page 22 is our registration certificate. It's we are representing the.
Okay, Mr. Hazarika, what do you say? Ardhar. Can you call Mr. Dhar of Tribal Affairs?
No,
Tribal Affairs. I think Dhar is Tribal Affairs. Can you bring Mr. Dhar, who is for social justice and empowerment?
That is also standing on.
Ardhar, Lordship, in the last case.
RM Das. Who are the respondents, Mr. Bora?
Lordship, respondents are. Lordship, at page.
Social justice is Mr. RM Das served or not?
Yes, Lordship.
Did you serve him?
Yes.
This is item number, come on. No, names are not shown. Please get both Mr. Dhar and Mr. Das.
Yes.
Okay, in their presence.
Lordship, I may just place in a similar matter. Notice has already been issued. Therefore.
No, we'll issue notice. Let them be present.
Yes.
We'll have your matter after some time.
Yes.
Call them. Deeply. Item 18.
Maybe less lordship.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, in the order dated 2/3/26, it was observed that the matter can be disposed of, but and fixed on 17/3, and on 17/3, Mr. S.S. Roy was appearing, and he says some record is required, my lord.
Mr. Roy, where is Mr. Roy? Mr. Hazarika?
For the time being, please, let's on court number 1.
Ask him to come. Okay, after a while. Twenty-one.
Yeah, Lordship. We do not find out with it, but the case of the petitioner, Lordship, the land was in fact, Lordship, donated. He is not there.
Okay, and none appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Priyan Upadhyay, then it's standing counsel irrigation
Lord.
department is present. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday next. Monday, date to deliver. Mr. Roy, some matter.
Records we have not received. We request some technology.
When
After.
we'll have it on.
Come from Kamrup only, I mean, Gao.
But I understand, Lordship, but they are.
Okay, we'll have it on 11th.
My lord.
Okay. Part 3, H.R. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri S.S. Roy, learned standing counsel, learned state counsel, Para. Sri Roy has renewed his prayer for grant of time to obtain the relevant records, which was observed in the order dated 17/3/2026. Para. Accordingly, matter is adjourned to be listed on 11th. 11th.
Obliged.
Like. Lordship, in this case, I prefer some time to file our affidavit. Lordship. To receive the instructions. Something.
23. You are R. Burua.
My lord.
R. Burua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Sarah. Sri S. Roy, learned state counsel, has submitted that instructions have been received and the affidavit would be filed shortly, full stop. He accordingly prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file the affidavit. Para list on 18th of May. 18 May.
Deeply.
25. Twenty-five. Ah, 25. Yes, it's not. Where are the petitioners? Madam Revenue Department, you had taken time. Instructions received.
We have received. They applied in the Seva Setu for mutation of theirs.
None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the state is represented by Pribija Talukdar, the additional senior advocate, and the Revenue Department by the standing counsel, Ms. P.R. Mohantopera. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday next.
$26.
26, yes.
May I please? Lordship, leading counsel A. Burua is unwell today due to his high fever and cough. He could not be able to address the.
Okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri E. Burua on medical ground. Sri as Dr. Learned Standing Counsel PNRD is present, Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on 29th of April. Is it okay? 29th April. 29th April 2026. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Bless.
Your file affidavit, Mr.
The interim order was passed by district commissioner.
Okay. Are you filing the affidavit? Government? Mr. Roy, Mr. Hazarika?
Otherwise, case is covered by division bench order.
Okay, then we'll try for
Yes, yes.
Mr. Roy. Your colleague, Mr. Datta, says that it is covered by a DB order. So on the next date, you place that, but we want to
Already
pass.
next week.
We want to pass orders in presence of Mr.
Yes,
Barua.
yes.
Okay. Next Monday, next Monday, no, 29th.
Yes.
Obliged.
All of this, 26.
27. Yes.
Lordship, in this case,
Mr. Chaudhary was there. RM Chaudhary, we saw him in the court. Where is Mr. RM Chaudhary?
after some time, Lordship,
Oh. You have filed affidavit,
our affidavit is not required.
not required. But we'll have it on Monday next then, okay?
Lordship,
Monday next. We'll have it in his presence. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas the BTC is represented by Sri BC Mutahari. You are also appearing on behalf of which? What is your name? Along with Ms. B. Decker, Understanding Council, Elementary Education, Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday next. Date.
Already been, well, the affidavit is sent for vetting, Lordship, so it's not been come.
Okay. Hard Sri H.R. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Sri J. Handik, Learned State Council has submitted that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and sent for vetting. Full stop. He accordingly prays for and is granted further 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para, list on 15th of May.
Obliged.
15th May, Mr. Handik.
item 30.
30.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, my lord, second round of litigation, earlier one direction was there, my lord, to pay as per 2013 Act. Thereafter, wrong calculation has been made, my lord. That is why we have.
Regarding acquisition.
Yes, my lord. The section 30, subsection 3 and section 80 was not given, my lord. The wrong calculation is done.
Lordship, as per my submission, Lordship, there is alternative remedial, Lordship. They can file reference to the deputy commissioner because, Lordship, award is already given. They are not satisfied, your Lordship. As per section 64 of the Act, your Lordship, alternative remedy is there.
Why did you go for a reference?
My lord, actually what happened, my lord, we are not disputing the value of the land, my lord. We are just disputing that they are miscalculating, my lord, after 2000, the direction from this honorable court to consider my case as per 2013, but they have wrongly calculated, my lord. That is why, my lord. And that was also, my lord, award was not furnished to me, my lord. In other person's RTI reply, my lord, we have found that these were not included. That is why already our delay already has.
Madam, you may be correct in contending that there is a provision for applying for a reference, just like section 18 of the earlier act, now 64 of the new act. But that is if you are aggrieved by the adequacy of the compensation. Now he's saying that in the calculation you are making some mistake. You can look into it.
Calculation is done by the deputy commissioner.
Mr. Hazarika.
They communicate to the deputy commissioner on 16 March 2026. So awarded the.
You have not received any instructions. You try to obtain the instructions, okay? Hard Sri S. Datta, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Full stop notice was issued in this case on 11/3/2026, which pertains to an aspect of pertains to compensation for land acquisition. Full stop. It is the specific case of the petitioners that incorrect calculation was done to arrive at the compensation amount. Full stop. Para. Sri Hadarika, the London State Council. however, submits that instructions are awaited. Also heard Ms. R. Decas, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel, Water Resource Department, para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 18th of May to enable Sri Hazarika, the London State Council, to obtain the instructions.
Alia.
Items 21 and 22.
Yes, Mr. Roy Chaudhary.
My lord, here in the first petition 1795, my lord, in a Binakandi, in Padumpukuri, Natun Bajar, Binakandi Anchalik Panchayat,
Yes.
they were allotted 114
Notice
shops.
was issued on 27/3.
My lord.
So what is the instruction?
Instruction.
Lordship, we have received the instruction, so I may be allowed to file affidavit, Lordship.
My lord.
What about the other case, Mr. Roy Chaudhary?
One is of shop, another is for the market.
Same. Okay.
Same.
Next case also you have received instructions.
Also.
Okay, heard Sri P.K. Roy Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Para, pursuant to the earlier orders of issuance of notice, Sri Hazarika, the Learned State Council, has informed that instructions have been received and he accordingly prays for time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para. In view of the above, the matter is adjourned to be listed on 22nd of May to enable filing of affidavit in opposition.
No.
Separate order kori available. Separate available. Ekdom ekei hobo. Matters to enter kori. Okay. Yes.
No.
In the other also there are more than one petitioner.
Yes, madam.
Item 45.
May I please? Well, there is already a report submitted by the mediator. So in the light of that, I may.
That can be disposed of, Lord, directing the.
We had granted you time to go. Yes. What do you say?
Lordship, I've seen the mediation report, Lordship.
Yes.
They have immediately maybe directed the government official to do the needful, Lordship. Because they are encroachers, Lordship.
Petitions are not.
But not petitions.
Petitions are not. They are LOT.
LOT, they are there.
But some encroachers are there.
They are, Lordship.
So in this regard, when I said, mediator has said that when a survey has to be done, and thereafter encroacher may be evicted, and thereafter patta may be given as per procedural law. That is the matter.
The mediation was attended by whom? On your part?
Circle. Okay,
Heard Sri B. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri S. Roy, Learned State Council, para. As per the facts projected, the petitioners who are 50 in numbers were in possession of government land.
Not all are in. Three are in possession.
But all are LOT.
All are LOT.
LOT.
Only three are in possession.
Were allotted government land for making dwelling houses. Full stop. However, due to river erosion, the petitioners were compelled to leave the land from time to time. Full stop. The claim of the petitioner was for issuance of patta. What is the mediation? Why will it stand for mediation, these matters? How can you issue patta?
Lordship, already they are allotted. But patta were not issued. They are allotted lands, but due to river erosion, they come to the Mathawari, Lordship. They have, when the flood goes away, they said that they are the encroacher. We have made the field verification.
In the course of the proceeding, there was an order for referring the matter to mediation. And the learned mediator has furnished a report dated 9/2/2026. Full stop. Perused.
My lord, report on 3/2/2026.
3, not 9/2, 3/2/2026.
Oh, 3/2/9.
Perused the same para. From the report, it transpires that the land which were allotted to the petitioners are presently under the possession of unauthorized persons, encroachers. And therefore, steps for issuing patta to the name of in the names of the petitioner could not be taken. Full stop. Both the parties were agreeable to passing a necessary direction for surveying the land and handing over possession to the petitioners by evicting the unauthorized persons, encroachers from the lands. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, more particularly, the report of the mediator dated 3/2/2026, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to take appropriate steps for evicting the unauthorized occupants, encroachers over the land which were allotted to the petitioners, and thereafter hand over possession of the same to the petitioners in accordance with law.
And thereafter take steps for issue as per law.
The authorities would be at liberty to take further steps for issuance of patta, which however has to be done strictly in accordance with law.
I know. Time. Outer limit.
The aforesaid exercise as directed above be taken expeditiously and preferably completed within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
High level.
Item 4.
Yes. Item number
4.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, a search and seizure was done on Lordship Lordship, my short case is that Lordship, that the search warrant which was issued to me, the search warrant, the warrant of authorization of search, which was issued to me, ought to have been issued by an officer which is authorized under section 132A of the Income Tax Act. Now, Lordship, this search warrant has been issued to me by officer below the rank, by the Joint Commissioner of Income Tax. It has been issued. Lordship, may kindly see at page 41. It has been issued to me by a officer below the rank of the officer which has been prescribed under the Act. And
who is prescribed?
Lordship, the prescription under section 132A is Lordship, Principal Director General, Director General, Principal Director, or Principal Chief Commissioner, Principal Commissioner, Additional Director or Additional Commissioner. That is the prescription which
Commissioner would not include Joint Commissioner.
Joint Commissioner will not include, Lordship. The Joint Commissioner is below in rank to the Lordship Commissioner. So, Lordship, that is my only submission is that, Lordship, let them file an affidavit and because I'm not praying for any interim at this stage, even though, Lordship, I filed another petition, Lordship, they have already passed an order of assessment. I have filed another petition against that. Lordship, so far as this case is concerned, I'm only, Lordship, challenging the search.
So, Gopal,
Notice may issue, Lordship. Notice may issue, Lordship.
The 132A, Madam has said that the officers by whom such a search warrant can be issued have been prescribed. But this search warrant has been issued by the joint commissioner. Will joint commissioner come within the definition of those officers who have been named under 132A? That is the question. What is 132A? Do we have 132A?
132 is delegation of power, no? Delegation of power to.
Kindly see who are the officers who have been delegated with the power to issue search warrant. You should come equipped with your book, Mr. Dr. Gogoi. This is the only point.
132A lots of power to requisition books of account, where the principal director of general or director general or principal director or the principal chief commissioner or the chief commissioner or principal commissioner in the conjugations of information in his position has reason to believe.
No, the satisfaction has to be recorded by him, but who can issue the warrant? It is not necessary that those persons only have to issue warrant.
Not sir.
What is your case, madam?
Lordship, my main case is that if the warrant of authorization
It is not 132 does not say that they are required to issue warrant. It says that they are required to record a satisfaction. Issuing warrant may not be there within their function. It can be done by somebody else.
That cannot be issue, your lordship. 132A.
If that cannot be the issue, you are not even contending this, Mr. Dr. Gogoi.
Lordship, in the it is also been mentioned, your lordship. May I read, your lordship? Then the principal director general or director general or principal director or the principal commissioner or chief commissioner, principal commissioner or commissioner may authorize any additional director, additional
Matter ends
commissioner.
there, madam. What is your case? Don't come with this time of petition.
Lordship,
You should place entire thing. You are saying they is not authorized.
Lordship,
We know what is 132A. Don't come with this kind of petitions.
That authorization.
Don't
has to be
spoil your
taken under
reputation
section
like this.
124 Income Tax
Lordship,
Act.
this authorization has to be taken under section 124.
That has to be
That has to be there in the record. That
Where,
is not,
where
that
is,
is
where
not
is,
there.
where is your statement?
Lordship, Lordship, I have my entire case is based on that. Lordship,
Where is your
kindly-
statement?
Yes, your lordship. Lordship, lordship, in my paragraph 3, lordship, in the petition,
Paragraph 3.
the petitioner filed the instant petition under Article 226 challenging the impugned search and seizure.
Yes.
With the respond number 6 and all consequences. Lordship, in fact, lordship, this argument we had done before the tribunal also. The tribunal has rejected by saying that, look, I cannot go into the matter, even though he was fully convinced that this warrant of authorization which was given was by a wrong officer. In fact, it was pointed out by them only.
Madam, this is only pertaining to 132A.
Yes, your lordship.
Where is your
By-
case that authorization has not been given?
No, lordship, may kindly allow me to read that paragraph 3 and then I will, lordship.
We have read paragraph 3.
Under section 132, only so and so have the power to issue such authorization.
Yes, where is
The case of the authorization for search and seizure to be issued by the additional joint commissioner, and therefore the warrant of authorization in the instant case by the respondent 3 was without jurisdiction and legal ab initio.
132A, there is no question of 132A being violated. If you are making out a case of authorization, it's a different case. Where is your case? Your case is entirely based on 132A.
Lordship,
If there is anything else,
Lordship, 132 is involved with 124. Lordship, maybe if your lordship will take the matter on Friday, I'll be more.
so where is 124? Where is the mention? If it is there, please show it to us.
Lordship, 124 it speaks of jurisdiction of
Where is
officers.
the pleading, madam? If you are making a foundation on 124, where is the pleadings?
Lordship, may kindly take this matter on Friday. I'll be better prepared. I'll come with all the
Madam,
Friday.
if you are not prepared with the case,
No,
do you think that this court will accommodate you to prepare your case?
No, your lordship will not at all. Lordship will not. But lordship, today only for today. Lordship, this is the
You
first
file
time.
at your convenience, you argue at your convenience.
Lordship, this is the first time this has happened. Lordship, may kindly allow me only time or tomorrow, lordship, or tomorrow, lordship.
You take time when the matters are called upon, you don't appear in time, and you are seeking time when the question is put to you by the court.
No, lordship. In
This is your
case,
preparation.
I'm really sorry, lordship. This is it never happened in future, lordship. This is the first time it has happened, lordship. Never it will happen in future.
On request, list after a week. Next. What is this?
Lordship, in this case, what has happened, Lordship, a SOCOS notice was never issued to me. This is a matter relating to service tax, Lordship. A
No
SOCOS
SOCOS was issued.
never issued to me. And Lordship, an officer from Dimapur has passed the adjudication order against me, stating that an officer from Gauhati has already issued an SOCOS notice to you. So now I want to assess you. Lordship, this was during the COVID
Where
period.
is your statement?
Lordship, I have made the statement that no Lordship notice was ever issued to me.
Page.
Because I have not even annexed the Lordship.
Which paragraph?
Lordship, may kindly see page 11.
Page 11.
Page 11.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly see, however, the said SOCOS notice was never served upon the petitioner, and the petitioner had no knowledge of the initiation of the proceedings at any point of time. In the absence of service of SOCOS notice and without granting petitioner any opportunity of personal hearing, respondent or the proceeded to pass an order in original. And in fact, in their own adjudication order also, he has not accepted, he has not said that I have given you the SOCOS notice. He said that SOCOS notice is
Madam, what is your verification of paragraph 9?
paragraph 9, Your Lordship.
You have verified as true to your record. A copy which you have not received are true to your records.
No, Lordship, this is the order in original.
We are not on the order, we are on the pleadings that a SOCOS was never served upon
Never
you.
served upon
Then where is the verification?
Verification, Lordship.
Verification in the affidavit, madam. This is a writ proceeding. How have you verified this statement? Can it be matters of records that you have not received something? These are absolutely your personal knowledge.
Lordship, actually, it was order in original was also annexed. That is why
It is
maybe
how you place your
partly
petition, how you draft your petition, your thing. We are not here to guide you or advise you.
Lordship, in other paragraphs also I have written.
Where have you stated? Let us see. How have you verified those paragraphs? This is absolutely something
Lordship,
personal knowledge. Any other paragraph?
Lordship, paragraph 17.
17.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let us see 17.
Lordship, before paragraph 17, Lordship, even at page 22, that the paragraph before that, paragraph 16, from a plain reading of section 73, page 22.
Page 22.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
From a plain reading of section 73 of the Finance Act, it is evident that service of SOCOS notice within the prescribed period of limitation is a mandatory requirement for assuming jurisdiction recovery services. In the instant case, no SOCOS notice have been served upon the petitioner under section 73 before passing of the impugned order, and therefore any proceeding initiated or demand confirmed under provisions of 73 is wholly without jurisdiction.
Yes, Mr. Dr. Gogoi.
Only my small short case.
Lordship, page 19.
19.
19.
90. Yes, what is there?
Discussion and findings of they have went to the appellate authority of income tax.
Yes.
9.1. I note that in the instant case, the appellant did not submit any reply to the demand SOCOS notice. The appellant did not even appear for personal hearing. Proposition is granted by the executive authority.
No, Mr. Dr. Gogoi, her case is founded on different footing.
SOCOS notice.
She has not received the SOCOS notice, and therefore the question of filing any reply will not arise according to the petitioner. Do you have anything on record to show that this notice was indeed served upon the petitioner?
That have to be taken
You
instruction.
take instructions. Now, what is the stage, madam?
Lordship,
This is of 29 to 2024.
Lordship,
The appellate order?
thereafter I filed an appeal also, Lordship, that was also dismissed.
Second appeal when? When was it dismissed?
Lordship,
What are your prayers in this?
29 to 2024, Lordship. That is it. Lordship, may kindly issue notice at this stage, and Lordship, I'll let them obtain the instruction, and Lordship, whether the SOCOS notice was issued or not to me. If they have that in record, if they can show from the record.
Dr. Gogoi, in few of the cases where this court is of a prima facie satisfaction, the SOCOS notice was bona fide not served upon them, then we have asked that give an opportunity to them to file their reply, and you consider on merits. This aspect you can take instructions, but this is their projection. Whether it is correct or not, that is the first thing you have to do. Okay. Third, Ms. N. Havelia, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by a proceeding under the
Lordship, it is Finance Act 1994. Service tax, Finance Act 1999.
under the which act?
Finance Act 1994.
Under the Finance Act 1994 pertaining to service tax. Full stop. Though the appellate authority has also passed final orders, comma, the petitioner has contended that the initial so-called notice was never served upon him, and therefore he was prejudiced in contesting the proceedings. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on. We'll give a short date. Take the instructions.
Lordship.
If this is from the records, if she can make out, or if there's nothing to show that it was in fact served, then we can remand this matter.
Lordship.
Returnable on. Today is 22nd. We'll have it on 20th of May, 20 May. Dr. Gogoi for
All the
CGST, all the respondents.
all the respondents. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, mine's Kundu.
Okay. M. Das on behalf of SQ Midhi, 1. Dr. B. N. Gogoi, 4, 2, 3, and 4. That extra copies be served upon the learned counsel for the respondents by tomorrow. Take the instructions, let us see.
Much more.
Rise for 5 minutes. The mediation can be held under the aegis of the district court at Tinsukia. Full stop. Para. Registry is accordingly directed to transmit the relevant records to the learned court of the district judge Tinsukia, who would appoint, who would refer this matter to an imperial mediator. Full stop. Since the parties are represented before this court, comma, let the first sitting of the mediation be held on 18th of. We give sufficient time for transmission of records.
Yes.
18th of May, from which date the learned mediator will take charge. Full stop. Let the preliminary report on the outcome of the mediation be furnished to this court on the next date, which is fixed on 22nd of June 2026. Full stop. Depending on the same command, this court would pass further orders. Full stop. This court relevant scan copy of the relevant. We'll not send the
Correct.
records, only the scan copies.
Right.
Because the next order we might have to pass. Okay. What order is it? Ki question? Registry is required directed to. Not report. Registry is required to transmit. Now scan copy of the relevant records.
And thereafter, any date may be fixed for listing of this?
No, we have fixed the date.
Yes, madam.
We'll see what report has come.
Correct, madam.
If we see it's in the proper perspective, we'll give further time. If there is no chance of resolution, then we'll resolve here.
Deeply obliged.
But go there with an open mind and resolve the
Yes,
issue.
yes. I also could not use the land, my lord, for such a long time, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
Item 33.
What is this?
Lordship, the matter is regarding allotment of rice, CMR and all those other factors here. And the opposite parties have filed their affidavit in opposition as well. But we had recently received the case last month, Your Lordship. So we had submitted before that we were not able to receive instructions from our client. So we have received instructions that he's coming to Gauhati today or day after. So we'll be able to better.
You are
argue the
new,
case.
you are newly engaged in this matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But
So-
these are old matters. What is your name?
A Mishra, Your Lordship.
On 25th of March, you had taken time.
Yes, Your Lordship. But yes, Your Lordship. But
Earlier also.
No, then we were not appointed, Your Lordship, at that point of.
Mr. Das was there on 2019-3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As Das is your colleague.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, but still then we'll grant some time.
Yes, Your
But
Lordship.
as a last.
Next week, Your Lordship.
Last opportunity.
The petitioner has not delivered the CMR lawsuit.
Okay. Heard 3A Mishra Learned Counsel for the petitioners who has renewed his prayer for grant of some more time to obtain appropriate instructions. Para also heard 3 NJ Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Assam State Agricultural Marketing Board, who has submitted that on previous occasions also time was sought for. Full stop. Para, considering that this writ petition is pending since the year 2018, a last opportunity is granted to the petitioners. The opportunity is granted to the Learned Counsel for the petitioners to obtain necessary instructions. Full stop. List for admission hearing on. Don't say admission hearing. List on 30th, 31st on 6th of May, on which date an endeavor will be made for disposal of the writ petition. I'm deeply obliged.
Item 34.
My lord, your lordship has called for the trial court record, my lord. Probably it has not been received, my lord.
That has been received, my lord. Office note dated 10/11/2025 records it. Whereas, my lord, that
Have been received.
has been received. my lord.
Asked no records too? We'll have it for hearing.
Yes, my lord.
When?
As your lordship pleases, my lord.
On Tuesday next.
Office note otherwise just suggests they have to file the amended cost title. That-
Regarding
Will file-
substitution of legal errors of six.
They have filed, but there are some anomalies. They may correct it in the meantime and it may be fixed for hearing.
We'll have it on Tuesday next. Old matter.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. Office note dated 10/11/2025 reflects that TCRS have been received. Full stop. This court, wide order dated 16/10/2025, had already observed that on receipt of the TCRS from the learned ABR, Assam Board of Revenue, the case would be listed for hearing. Full stop. Para. Accordingly, list this case for hearing on Tuesday next, on date to the Tuesday মানে কিমান হ'ব 28 তাৰিখ নে 28 28 কোনটো আছিল উইথ টাইপিং আছে কোন আছিল আদাৰ সাইড Are you there? Social justice, then tribal affairs. Mr. Dhar, Rahul Dhar. Is it okay? Madam, his case is that they were declared as MOBC. Under no, they were declared as MOBC earlier, and entry 24, sub entry 75 was there, and they were getting the benefit at par with the tea garden laborers. Now, by the impugned order, they have been put in the category of OBC, by which he contends that he would be deprived of certain benefits. But this court has not understood what is the difference so far as benefits are concerned regarding OBC and MOBC. I think OBC would get a better benefit. MOBC comes thereafter. So how are you deprived? What is your prejudice?
Your Lordship, caste certificates are issued under the category of tea garden laborers. In educational and employment, there are certain percentage of jobs and other permission to educational institutions reserved for tea garden laborers in Assam. Therefore, that caste certificates are not issued now.
Madam, you take instructions. Take instructions.
Now, Lord.
Third, Sri BP Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners.
Lordship, page 36, Lordship will just peruse for once.
What is it?
Lordship, we had given a representation, petition number 2. Now that representation has been under consideration, that page 36 reflects, Lordship.
Okay.
With reference to the subject cited above.
Okay, we'll make an observation that there will be no bar for consideration and passing final orders in your presentation.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
And moreover, Lordship, we have been enlisted by the National Backward Commission. Now it's amended into the constitution. Now, as per the Gazette notification, the National Backward Commission can only deal with our case, Lordship, and it has to be done under their recommendation, because it is we were under the sentence.
Okay, let us issue notice at this stage. Third, 3 BP Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. As per the facts projected, comma, the petitioners who belong to the Nunia community was enlisted as more other backward class under entry 24 bracket 75 of what?
Of the Gazette notification.
Of the Gazette notification dated
10/9/1993.
10/9/1993.
Under the heading of tea garden laborers.
First of all, under the said notification, comma, the said community were treated to be a part of the tea garden laborers.
Yes.
And all benefits accordingly were given to the members of the community. Full stop. However, it is also contended that such categorization was done in terms of the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Indra Sahani versus Union of India, reported in
1992 3 SCC
1992 3 SCC page 2.
217. Is there.
The grievance of the petitioner is, however, against a notification dated
page 33, 23/8/2023.
23/8/2023, whereby they have been put in the category of OBC. Full stop. It is contended that by such change, comma, the members of the petitioner community, members of the Nunia community would not get the benefit of tea garden laborers. Full stop. It is also contended that the petitioners had submitted representation which is under consideration. Let notice be issued, returnable on on 25th of May 2026, Union of India, Madam M. Das, on behalf of S Committee for 1. And Social Justice,
3, 4, 5, 6 alia.
P. Chakraborty, Miss P. Chakraborty, Standing Council, Social Justice and Empowerment Department, Standing Council, for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Who's 7? 7? 7, I think 7, Madam can take, or what? Member Secretary, National Commission for Women, no. 7 by split post to ready 7 to mark code river. Then member secretaries Assam backward classes.
Yes, I can take one.
You can take
8 and 9.
8 and 9 also, Madam Mudiba. Then Assam Janago.
That will be registered post.
It was registered split post. Then Mr. Hazarika for 11, 12 and 13. Hazarika. Or Baki split post to ready. Extra copies did. Okay. Pendency shall not be a bar for disposal of the representation of the petitioner, the process of which appears to be on wide the communication dated. What is the date of the communication?
Page 36, Lordship,
Date. No. The process of which is said to be on. Okay. 5 extra furnish extra copies.
Yes, Lordship. 1992 supplementary SCC 217 Indra Sahani.
Indra Sahani to Likhi Lawson. 1992.
Supplementary
two.
3 SCC.
Supply 3 SCC.
3 SCC 217. Deeply obliged.
We'll check code.
Item 35. May I please your opinion? Lordship, is matter regarding my lord JMDA issued a notice for unauthorized construction of my building, my lord. As per my lord, notice has been issued to response number 345, my lord. As per Lozima order 11 February 2026, my lord, service is completed, my lord. The affidavit has not been filed yet, man.
What should I 3 weeks time and the affidavit, man? I am for respond 1 and 2.
Your S. Hazarika.
My lord.
Heard 3 S. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as 3 S. Bora, learned standing counsel, GMDA. Full stop. Perused the office note dated 11/2/2026, as per which service upon respondent numbers 3, 4, and 5 has been held to be complete. Full stop. The aforesaid office note is accepted. Full stop. Para. 3 Bora, the learned counsel, the standing counsel, prays for and is granted prays for some time to obtain necessary instructions / file affidavit in opposition. Para. Considering that this matter is pending since the year 2023, a final opportunity is granted to enable the understanding counsel to obtain the instructions. Para. List on. We'll have it on 20th of May. You get enough time. Mr. Bora, 20th of May. Para. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day of listing.
I'm deeply obliged. Item 37.
Yes, Mr. Mandar.
Yes. My lord, the petitioner is the my lord ex-army, my lord, who is my lord possessing a plot of land since last 2024. But suddenly my lord notice has been issued.
Plot of land where?
Yes.
Where are you possessing plot of land?
My lord, in the district of Dhubri, my lord.
No, district of Dhubri, but where is the land?
Yes, land is my lord 2 katha 0 katha, my lord 2 katha, sorry, my lord 2 biga 0 katha 0 lesa at village Jograr par Padon, covered
Khas
by the
land.
yes,
Khas land.
Khas land.
Now what is your problem?
Yes. Now notice has been issued to him, my lord. Lordship will find at page 47.
Notice for what? Eviction?
Eviction, my lord. Page 47, my lord.
Yes. What is your claim for possession?
Yes.
47.
47 is the
Yes.
my lord input notice. Now lordship.
Illegally occupying.
Yes. Now lordship kindly see page 51 and 52. There is instruction from the my lord government of India to provide some land to the my lord ex-army. But they are not doing the my lord my lord position, my lord. Page 51 lordship.
Will that mean that you can occupy any land?
that will be decided by the competent authority.
Now, that is a different aspect. If
Yes.
they are under an obligation to allot land, that's a different aspect. But
Yes.
can you claim any land?
Now, we cannot, as a matter of right, it is up to their.
Lordship
Now,
may
page
kindly turn
50
to
on,
the-
kindly see, page 50 on.
The 51.
Yes, that is the
Land concession.
Yes, land
I
concession.
am directed to say that it has been brought to the notice of the government that applications from serving person. Allotment of wasteland for cultivation forwarded in the light of the representation of the authorized government may kindly be asked to consider favorably for wasteland. It has to be wasteland. It has to be for cultivation.
Yes.
You have encroached upon this land in the center.
Yes.
Is it wasteland?
It is wasteland.
Wasteland.
It is a ceiling surplus land, my lord.
What is the meaning of wasteland?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Hendrik.
Lordship may kindly turn to the page 21.
2-1.
28.
28.
Lordship. Lordship may kindly to the last. His district is, he's from the Gwalpara district.
Okay.
He's from Durbu district.
No, my lord, it's a Gwalpara district, and even then, Lordship may kindly turn to page 36 also. 36, there is, my lord, that identity card, voter identity card.
Page 36.
36 also, Lordship.
Gwalpara.
Lordship, village, Himolabari, Onko, Thana Lokhipur, Mohkuma Gwalpara, Zilla Gwalpara. So he is from the Gwalpara district. Now he is seeking land in the Dhubri district.
That is after erosion. Originally, he is from Jamadarhat in the district of Dhubri. His entire landed property was eroded by the mighty Brahmaputra river. After that, he shifted.
Even if you want to that any land,
You don't have any land.
Yeah, have
Yes.
otherwise,
I have pleaded, he has no land.
Let us see. Where is your
Entire
pleadings?
land has been eroded by the mighty Brahmaputra river.
Let us see.
Yes.
So you cannot claim possession of a particular plot of land.
you
We can
cannot-
at best say that your claim, your application for land allotment under the present Vasundhara 2.0
Lord,
would be considered in accordance with law. There was a rejection, but earlier
it was rejected.
rejected. Maybe you have land.
Even then, Lord, page 21, my lord,
But
in the serial number 10, my lord, he said that he is the businessman.
Oh.
Lordship, may kindly see the vernacular, Lordship.
Page?
Of Lord 21, Lordship. Serial number 10, Lordship.
Kobulapur.
Serial number 10.
Lordship. My lord, the serial number 10, Lordship, last businessman is earning about 16,000. But in nowhere in mention, my lord, whether he is the ex-serviceman or.
Yes, we have annexed the document, Lordship. Kindly
That is
see.
different thing, my lord. There
Page
is mentioned
22.
in the Kaulat Nama, my lord, that he is the ex-serviceman, my lord.
After his retirement, he is doing PT business. Page 22, Lordship will find the certificate of ex-serviceman. Page 22, my lord. Pardon, my lord, personal service particulars, my lord, army number, so and so, so and so. Page 22.
In the identity card, lordships, and lordship, that voter list, my lord, his address was given, my lord, that Goalpara district. So we nowhere mentioned in the, my lord, whether he was, my lord, that living, my lord, that parents are might be in that Goalpara district. He should apply to, my lord, that any seeking any land lordship, my lord, to report, my lord, deputy commissioner, Goalpara lordship. In Aadhaar card also, my lord, please. Address was given, my lord, that Goalpara district.
See, the page 51, those are only some kind of recommendation that it can be favorably considered. It will not mean that you can claim any land.
Yes, it is up to the authority, my lord. They can.
Where is the rejection order of your Basundhara application?
Rejection order is not with us, my lord.
You should have challenged that with an additional ground that I am entitled as for favorable consideration. In spite of that, you have rejected.
Now, I think, my lord, third Basundhara is also, my lord, going on, my lord.
Whichever is the present.
And
This will have to follow whatever is there in Salekuddin.
If your lordship permits, my lord, we can apply in the, my lord.
You will grant you. Will
Ongoing,
grant you liberty.
Yes.
Heard. Sri M.E. Mondal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri J. Hendik, Learned State Counsel, comma, Miss Anne Wadler, Learned Standing Counsel Revenue, and Sri B. Chakraborty, Learned CGC. What role does CGC have? Okay. Para. The grievance of the petitioner is against a notice dated 23/12/2024 issued by the Circle Officer, Dhubri Revenue Circle, whereby the petitioner is directed to vacate the plot of land which is under his possession. As per the facts projected, the petitioner claims to be an ex-army man who had retired from service on 1/3/2017 and is in possession of a plot of land measuring 2 bigha at Chograr Par Sailaba, Part 1, covered by DAG numbers 766/301, 331/301, 766/319, 331/319, which is newly numbered as DAG number 781. Full stop. The petitioner states that he has constructed dwelling houses and also is having valuable trees. Full stop. The petitioner relies upon certain communication issued by the Ministry of Defence, whereby preference is to be given for allotment of land to ex-army personnel. Para. Sri Mondal, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that without considering the communications of the Union of India to give preference, the impure notice dated 23/12/2024 has been issued. Full stop. Para. Per contra, Sri Hendik, the learned State Council, has pointed out that from the materials on record, comma, the petitioner appears to be a resident of Goalpara, whereas the land in question, which is the subject matter of the notice dated 23/12/2024, is in the district of Dhubri. Full stop. He has also submitted that there is no clear averment that the petitioner does not possess land anywhere else in Assam, comma, more particularly in the district of Goalpara, which is reflected in his documents. Full stop. He has also submitted that though there is a statement that the application of the petitioner for allotment of land under Vasundhara 0.2 has been rejected, comma, such rejection is not the subject matter of challenge. Full stop. Para. Ms. Bordola, the Learned Standing Council Revenue Department, while endorsing the submission of the Learned State Council, has contended that the issue would be covered by the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench passed in the case of Salekuddin versus State of Assam, reported in so-and-so. Para. Sri B. Chakraborty, Learned CGC, has submitted that the central government would not have any role in adjudication of the present lease, and the communications referred to by the petitioners are only in the form of recommendation. Para. The rivals submissions have been duly
Even
considered.
Lordship, eviction was carried out on 9/1/25 and 10/1/25.
Already evicted?
Already evicted.
No,
That
where
was
it-
also surprise as because stay order was passed on 21/2025.
Okay.
Status order was given.
He has also informed that the writ petition was filed by suppressing material facts, inasmuch as the eviction process was already initiated
On 9/1/2025.
on 9/1/2025
And 10/1/2025.
and 10/1/2025, and the writ petition was moved only on 21/1/2025. Full stop. That last one, right? Rival submission, sir.
21, not 21, 201.
Yes, 21/2025. It was moved on 21/2025. Bis. The rival submission. From the materials on record and from the submission, it is clear that the impugned notice dated 23/12/2024 was already acted upon before the writ petition was moved. Full stop. There is also a statement that the application for allotment of land under Vasundhara 02 was rejected, and such rejection is not the subject matter of challenge. Para. The Honorable Division Bench in the case of Salekuddin has made the following, has laid down the following guidelines. Para. This court is of the opinion that while no relief can be granted to the petitioner, as the impugned notice has already been acted upon, the petitioner would be at liberty to pray for allotment of suitable land, and if such, under the present policy, and if such application is made, the same is directed to be considered strictly in accordance with law. Full stop. The writ petition according to stands closed.
Interim order Lordship passed on 21.
Interim order passed earlier, stands vacated.
No, my lord, I am still, my lord, holding the land, my lord, as on date, my lord.
For that, Salekuddin is there, otherwise, okay, Adimor Bhivodev, or get us a matter. Master. Mr. Take your matter after the break. There's a meeting, we have to rise slightly early. Okay.
Lot, I file a amendment petition, my lord. And that is number as 337725,
IA.
my lord.
IA for?
IA number, my lord, 3377 of 2025 for amendment of the plaint, my lord, of the writ petition.
Connected review petition.
Review petition.
What
My lord,
amendment?
My humble submission before your lordship is this, my lord. My lord, regarding limitation, I have taken the stand that this is the thing, that is why there is some delay. But that was not elaborated in the original review petition, my lord. So, my lord, I have tried to elaborate that by filing this amendment petition, my lord. Your lordship would be pleased to see what I want to amend.
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, here my submission before your lordship is this. Stand was taken in short, but there is no contradiction with the original review petition.
Okay.
And it will not change the character, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Hazarika, can we allow this?
I may be allow lordship.
IA note, you have been served, notice was issued in the IA?
Yes, ma'am.
No, notice was not issued. You will be entitled to at least one opportunity. You may not file any.
Government is the party, my lord, notice is not necessary.
No, you may not file any formal objection, but we'll grant you an opportunity. You go by this. We can have this on Monday next. Okay. Hearts free MA Sikh Learned Council for the applicant who by means of this application has sought for amendment in the review petition. Para,
My lord, I may be excused, my lord. My learned friend submitted before your lordship that I may be allowed.
No,
He
but
submitted like
this is the first date it has come.
No, my lord, it is not the first time, my lord. Earlier also it has come.
Mr. It was adjourned on your behalf.
My lord.
It has come upon 21/11/2025.
All right.
Let us give him an opportunity, not look good.
My lord.
We are not asking for a formal objection or anything. Let him go through it. Monday we'll have it.
My lord.
কি করলো?
Oblige, your lord.
কি করলো? Amendment of the connected review petition 219 of 2025. First para. Let instructions be obtained by Sri H.K. Sharma, H.K. Hazarika, London State Council, and the matter be listed for consideration on Monday next. Monday will allow.
My lord, item number 39 is same, my lord.
39 is same.
It's same, my lord. Same order of law.
39 IA to some. But I had like it, same.
Can take it forward
It was simple.
for instruction on Monday. Much obliged, your lordship.
You go through it. Please give him a copy.
My lord.
Do you have a copy, Mr. Hazarika?
Copy given, my lord. Oblige, your lordship. Wait for me. As per office note, service.
This is number 40.
Correspondence 2.
Notice was issued on 12/2/2026. Now what has happened? There is an office note. There is an office note.
There is an office.
Notice received for neither is, Who is R2?
Private respondent.
Mr. What are you for? R1.
R1.
Who's R1?
GMC, lordship.
GMC. Okay. Wait for a while because this is a recent origin 8-4. We have it after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
If giving a chance, opportunity to the respondent 2 to appear, If he doesn't appear, he or she doesn't appear, we'll go ahead with the proceedings. Okay. Because it is only on the basis of the postal track record. AD card or unserved notice has not come back. You are Ekabra.
Ekab.
Heard Sri Ekabra Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para? No, petitioner, as well as Sri S. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel.
Yes.
GMC appearing for the respondent number 1. Para? As per the office note dated 8/4/2026 on the aspect of service of notice upon the respondent number 2, comma, neither AD card nor unserved notice has been received back. Full stop. However, it reveals that from the postal journal, comma, the item appears to have been delivered. Para? In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable the respondent number 2 to appear and contest in this proceeding if so advised. Para? List after 2 weeks. No, don't say this. The matter is accordingly directed to be listed on 11th of May. Para? Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. You require time to file affidavit?
I mean, let it come after 11. In the meantime, give the instruction, I will file it.
Or then we can grant some more time.
Yes, officer.
আগরখিনি কে লিখেছিল? এলে তার উপর লাইনটা। Adjourn to enable, adjourn 2 weeks na likhiba. Adjourn to enable the respondent number 2 appear and contest if so advised. Tarpot ki lisa? Relatively listed on 18th May 2026, by which time the GMC may file the affidavit. Para interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Yes, Mr. Mondal.
May I please? My lord, this is my lord IA for my lord consideration for my lord condition of delay.
334 days.
My lord.
Review of what?
Review of the my lord, your lordship's order. Lordship will find at page 21.
What is it?
Yes. Page 21.
Hmm.
Sorry, my lord. Page my lord, 16. Page 16. There lordship will find page 18, paragraph 4.
Yes.
On the other hand, Sri so-and-so London Council Finance Department has submitted that the very induction of the petitioner in a service, not in accordance with law, he has submitted that the Treasury officer is not
Yes.
the empowered to make any appointments, and if any such appointment was made, it was in his personal capacity, for which the state exchequer cannot be burdened. He submit that the basis of the claim being founded on illegality.
Now, what is your review?
Yes. Now, lordship, kindly see the subsequently, my lord, it has come to the knowledge of this honorable court as well as to the petitioner that lordship will find he has filed my lord, subsequent writ petition seeking my lord, salaries. Then some order has been passed by this honorable court. Lordship will find at page 21.
Yes.
There lordship will find page 26, my lord. Paragraph 9, my lord. This court has also heard the Zonali Das, who is the Treasury officer, so and so. It was submitted during the course of the hearing. Mr. Zonali Das said that since 2021, the petitioner has been receiving the fixed salary of rupees 9,000, and it continues to till date. This court inquired the Treasury officer as to who is making these payments of salary to the petitioner. It was submitted that it was made on the basis of the budget allocation being sought for. On the other hand, words. Budget allocation has been made for the payment to the petitioner and the fixed salary of rupees so-and-so since 2021. It was also submitted that the order dated 11/2/2025 passed by the learned coordinated bench of the Honorable Court in WBC number so-and-so was never intimated to the Treasury officer till 28/1/2026. It was also submitted that the budget allegation was made on the basis of the petitioner's appointment made in the year.
Yes,
2000.
madam, what do you say?
Yes.
Your Lordship, Mr. P. is conducting this matter, Your Lordship. He has the lead for withdrawal. He is not present today, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
We have it day after tomorrow?
Yes, Your Lordship. Short
Okay.
accommodation.
You should have told it in the beginning. Heard Sri M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the applicant. However, there is a prayer for adjournment on behalf of Sri P. Nayak, learned standing counsel, Finance Department. Para? Considering the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday Deliver.
Develop this.
42.
May it please your lordship.
IA for?
Your lordship, the IA is for remission of the amount of cost that is imposed upon the applicant, your lordship. Lordship, the applicant was imposed with a cost of 5,000 rupees by order dated 16 September 2025.
Yes.
Your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, the applicant being the junior advocate had filed a mention memo dated 15/9 where he committed a mistake, your lordship, inadvertently and without any ill motive, your lordship. So his we pray for his remission of the amount to 1,000, your lordship. Him being from a he's not too well versed with the things, your lordship, so much as of yet.
We don't find there is anything. We're rejecting. We're rejecting this. There are certain issues which has to be dealt strictly. There is no scope of any leniency.
Lordship.
What is your name?
I.S. Mazhar Bhaiya, your lordship.
Heard Sri I.S. Mazhar Bhaiya, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for modification of the order dated 16/9/2025. Full stop. By the aforesaid order, comma, a cost of rupees 5,000 was imposed on the learned counsel for the petitioner to be deposited in favor of the Gauhati High Court Bar Association Welfare Fund. Full stop. It was also made clear that the cost was imposed on the council and not on the party. Full stop. Okay. A bare perusal of the order dated 16/9/2025 would disclose that the process of the court was abused as a mention memo was filed by mentioning the matter as motion in spite of the fact motion motion which was allowed even on a hearing day, and on the said date the adjournment was sought for. Full stop. It also appeared, it was also disclosed that the matter was of the year 2024 and was not at the motion stage but at the admission stage. Full stop. Considering the above, comma, this court is of the opinion that no case for modification is made out, and accordingly the I stands dismissed.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes, Mr.
No matter. This was
the other matter, you are appearing.
in this matter.
You can record your presence.
Take it out of the
H.K.
On the other respondent.
H.K. Hazarika for the state respondent and A.K. Talukdar for respondent was 5 and 6.